Hi guys, today I'll show this. This phone is now Samsung Galaxy. This phone model is now. Open the back cover. Okay. This phone model is now Sm-G313HZ. This problem is touch not working. So how to remove this phone is touch and new touch setup. It's a new touch. Set up this phone. So unplug that first battery and soldering all side soldering this phone. You soldering your so soldering at first all side. This phone is now soldering, so I soldering this phone. Very safely soldering your phone. And use any sticks, or I use sticks, not it. If you want to use this, see now this task is open. So I unplug this task at first. So unplugging this task line. Remove this task easily. See now. Display, so I clean this display and cleaning now. You clean your display, I clean my display, and this gum is all around all side, and I use this gum. See now, I use this gum. I use all side. Use this gum. Use this gum and plug in the task safely. Plug in this task. Remove this sticker. plug in the touch line. See now, plug in the touch line and set up at first display. At first I set up display, and secondly set up touch. So plug in the battery and on this phone. Samsung Galaxy AC next. Now touch is working. So viewers, thank you.